This is Peter Stelter. 6 a.m. We just lost power. The wind. It's 11:25 on Monday. Storm hit us last night. We lost power at 6 a.m. We're told that maybe within a few hours the storm will die down. All right, 3:20 now. Monday. Storm's just finally letting up. There's still some pretty strong gusts of wind. I'm at the camp in Eleanor Street. I heard there's a tree that fell on a house over near the old Noka, which I guess is Webster and Perrier, maybe? So I'm gonna go over there. Up here on State, there's a tree blocking the road on camp. State Street between, I can see Chapatoulas and I can almost see St. Charles. There's a bunch of trees down, but nothing significant. We're at Perrier, right next to Noka. Looks like 60-30 maybe. So, 60-30. Looks like 60-28. 60-28 Perrier has had a tree. Appears that the National Guard has a checkpoint set up on in California, and let's take a look at this. Can't really see what's going on yet. Just talking to the driver. Another Jeep is pulling up. There's a second troop. Asking him to stop. Has his fist raised. Guy in the black truck, he's letting go through. The Jeep. Don't know. Let me go up and talk to these guys. Just seen a sewage and water board truck driving by. Looks like they're probably doing a survey. At Nashville and St. Charles, there's stoplights down and blocking. There's some trees, some lines blocking the street. Power lines up ahead, and all these stoplights have crashed down. North of St. Charles looks pretty clear all the way to Claiborne. I see a police officer driving down St. Charles against from me. We'll see what happens. Yep, nothing. Just passing people on St. Charles and Fawcett cleaning up the road. And in fact, when I look all over the place, I see people just cleaning the streets in front of their house, pulling trees to the side, raking up. Looks like we're getting back to order here pretty quickly. Okay, we're in front of the world famous Tipitina's. There's a guy sitting in the front room. Across the street, a bunch of RTA buses all lined up. Cop waving hi inside the supermarket parking lot. Doesn't seem, just a few cars, nothing special. Chop Tools looks totally clear though. That's probably because just biking past Le Bon Temps Roulette. They say they might be open later tonight. I cannot wait to get a nice cold beer. Magazine looks pretty cleared for the most part, passing Upper Line right now. Going uptown. Side streets. Not that bad. I guess the one thing I really gotta say then is we fared pretty well up here. Power's out, so I don't know how much longer that will be out for. Since it went out for me around 6 a.m., it doesn't come back on within a few hours. Pretty much stuff in your fridge is gonna be spoiled. Nashville at Constance, a tree fell down. Seems to have just barely missed some cars. Woo! That guy's lucky. Let's see the other side. Yep. Right where we were yesterday on Magazine, places like CC's were never boarded up, but they did fine. PJ's got a little boarded up. Looks pretty good.